welcome to the J-Jeo planet. And today, me and my little brother are going to play the best of Baroque. I am going to play the percussion with these stuff. And my little brother is going to play the piano, what's called keyboard. Well, you can come now, little brother. Look, what's that? Hey, you don't know how to play! How cool! Okay, what? Now get it. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go, baby.